Good morning, this is Garima Joshi hosting the event of Innovation in IP Leadership Summit 2025. We are gathered with the visionaries, creators, innovators, and the industry leaders who are actually the future of innovation. I have Mr. S. Pund with me. He is an IPR head with Endurance Technology. Sir, can you please help me about you, about your company, your services, and you are attending this event? How do you like the event? Any inputs, any suggestions from your side?
Just say as far as that first part is concerned, as far as my journey in the IPR field is concerned, I had accidentally come in this area somewhere in 2007, but that accident had groomed me, got attracted to this area, and accordingly I got groomed in this IP expert or IP professional, you can say. And the trigger was that National Innovation Foundation, which is a DST's organization, where it is talking up, means they are taking care of the grassroots innovations and the IP protections for that. And based on that, going forward, then that almost 13.5 years I spent with Mahindra & Mahindra Automotive business. And after that, since last 5.5 years, I am working with the Endurance Technologies Limited as a corporate head for the IPR. And when it comes to the Endurance Technologies Limited, so we are the tier 1 auto ancillary. So we are in the manufacturing of some of our proprietary products like the kind of a braking system for 2-wheelers and 3-wheelers. And when I am saying the braking, so yes, we are taking care of both combined braking system as well as the anti-lock braking systems, then suspensions, then transmissions, drive shafts, and casting.
Great.
And I feel honored that we are the #1 casters in India. So as far as the casting business is concerned, so we are having that our customers not limited to 2- and 3-wheeled vehicles, but going beyond the 4-wheel or the passenger segment, we are catering that casting for the off-road vehicles also. So Mahindra and Tatas, they are our customers.
Wow.
So, and I welcome you all. We are having the kind of a very world-class proving ground, I mean testing track. So it's only we are the only tier 1 in India to have that proving ground based out at Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar.
Great.
So it is spread across almost 27 hectares of land, and almost 8 tracks are there, on which every 2-wheeler before it getting launched in the market, 3-wheeler that is getting tested there.
Great, this is huge. And how do you like the event, sir?
Yeah, event, yes, it was a very fantastic event, okay, though it was a kind of a first endeavor organized by the Danaik IP. But the content, I mean to say that the kind of a content is the one part of it, but participation from all the sectors, I mean to say, sorry. Okay, so here it is a industry also, academia also, startups also, Indian inventors also there. And it was a very fantastic event going beyond. I feel that it should be extended to 2 days or so. Expanding the geographical coverage also beyond the Pune city or even beyond the Maharashtra also. Because in the first event itself, the venue which got planned and the coordination of the volunteers from the Danaik sides to all the speakers, okay, and all arrangements and everything. And this is a kind of one of the good initiative as far as that IP, grooming the IP culture in India is concerned.
Thank you so much.